Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to, if somebody spawned a lot of items or a lot of really animals in the game and you just want to get rid of them all, um, don't do slash clear because I found out that if you do slash clear, it clears out all your inventory items, so don't do that. The proper way to remove animals out of the server when they're spawning like this is you hit / and then you want to type in kill and then use the @ symbol and then E and then open bracket and you're going to type in type and then the name of the animal. So like for this instance is a pig. So we just type in pig and you can see it's Minecraft : pig. So we hit tab over, then close bracket and then hit enter. Now you can do target and then you can also do distance. So if you want to do within like 10 blocks or something like that, you can do that. But in this instance, we just want to get rid of all the pigs within the default, which is like 20 blocks or whatever it is. So we hit enter and boom. You can all see that they just cleared them all out. And that's how easy it is to do that. So example, you can do that again. So if I wanted to do sheep, I would just type in sheep, close bracket, and it'll kill any sheep that is nearby. If there's no sheep nearby, obviously it's not going to destroy anything. But maybe we can go somewhere else here so I can show you this again. Let's see if there's any animals over here. And we can also kill monsters too. Not sure if there's any horses or anything over here. Oh, here we go. Pandas. So we got 2 pandas here. So like I said, you put that command in, type in pandas, close bracket, and boom, just clear them out. So that's how easy it is to remove animals when people spawn too many of them out of your Minecraft server. I know that's kind of a headache sometimes for some people. But there's an easy way to do it. But you got to be OP, so you got to be an operator of the server to run that command out as well. All right, thanks you guys.